Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to see your fixed asset depreciation detail. So if you want to see that, you can just log into your QuickBooks account and then go to your left side menu, go to all apps, and then you can go to accounting section here and go to your fixed assets menu here. Click on it and then you will see all of your fixed asset. As you can see, I have only two assets here. So let's say you have a lot of asset and you want to see the details of the depreciation of your assets. You can go to your see reports here and click fixed asset depreciation detail. Click on it. And then you will see the reports of all of your assets. You can see this is my depreciation detail. So this is just for example. So if you have a lot of asset, you will see all of the depreciation details. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.